SASHSTOP. I just want to show you how to upgrade internally fitted only Sash Jammer and upgrade it to a SASHSTOP. The customer's had two fitted after a break-in on the back way and he's asked us to come and put two extras on the front way because his elderly mum sometimes puts them down and they want to be able to get in. So take the SASHSTOP off, Sash Jammer rather. Okay. I'm going to put the jig on the same screw holes as the previously fitted Sash Jammer. Just taking your time with your jig. Make sure it's right. Once you're happy, just nip it up. First of all, 6.1 drill bit all the way through the system. Finally the middle one. Move the jig. And there's our precision drill bits, drill holes. Okay. Now what size holes? 12mm. Top and bottom, 22mm. For the centre housing plate. Now I'm stopping there because I've got steel section in there. So I'm stopping at 20mm. You may or may not have steel in your frame, but it doesn't matter. And then I'm going to go through with a 10mm drill bit. Straight through the centre, just to allow a flat spindle bar. And then that'll give me more room just to finish off from 20 to 22. For the face housing. Inside we're just going to go 8mm. And then finally 12. Check we're happy with everything. Then simply front housing, oops, drop the spindle, it's left hand movement, so vertical spindle, bit awkward for me because I'm a bit short, it's a tight told up. Bottom screw, top screw, just going to nip it up with a screwdriver, manual screwdriver, so I don't mark the Sash Jammer. And there, the SASHSTOP fitted very quickly in the existing place of the internally fitted Sash Jammer. Thanks for watching.